Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee Kesari. Start by gathering rava, instant coffee, sugar, ghee, water, and cardamom, and measure proportions. Roast rava lightly, then add boiling coffee water gradually while stirring to prevent lumps. Cook until rava swells and thickens, then mix in sugar and ghee, finish with cardamom and nuts, and serve warm for best texture and aroma. Begin by roasting rava gently on low heat until light golden and aromatic, then transfer to a bowl. Dissolve instant coffee in hot water and keep it simmering for gradual addition. Start adding hot coffee water to the rava slowly while stirring constantly to avoid lumps. When rava absorbs liquid and softens, add sugar and ghee, continue cooking until it leaves the pan, then add cardamom and nuts and mix well. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof containers for storing leftover coffee Kesari or meal prep. They keep texture fresh and prevent spills when commuting, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. I find them perfect for portioning desserts and lunches with minimal mess. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a smooth, slightly loose consistency, because Kesari firms up as it cools, so do not overcook. Keep stirring gently and adjust heat to maintain even cooking without sticking. If you prefer stronger coffee flavor, increase instant coffee slightly, but taste before adding full sugar to balance bitterness. Finish with a knob of ghee and freshly ground cardamom for aroma, and fold in chopped nuts for crunch just before serving warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.